Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Liberty Inc. In first video, you learned how to make sentence by using structures like is to, are to, am to and use of exclamation mark. But today our topic is use of have to, has to, had to in different sentences. These structures shows when we are bound to do work, we should use has to, have to, had to. In present sentences, we use has to, have to. While in past sentences, we always use had to. Like हमें हर रोज स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. We have to go to school every day. Again, we have to go to school every day. In this sentence, or you can say this sentence shows present indefinite present tense. This sentence shows this is the present tense. And next sentence is इससे एक बहुत बड़े खानदान की देखभाल करनी पड़ती है. He has to look after a large family. Third is इन्हें पिछले साल लंदन जाना पड़ा. They had to go to London last year. Fourth is सखात को जहर का प्याला पीना पड़ा. Socrates had to drink the bowl of poison. These sentences shows present and past tense. First two sentences are present tenses, while in last two sentences are past. Because we have to go to school every day. This sentence shows this is a present tense and he has to look after a large family. This sentence also shows present tense and they had to go to London last year and Socrates had to drink the bowl of poison. These last two sentences shows that are past tenses. In this video, you learned has to, have to, had to in different sentences. I share English sentences as well as Urdu. I hope you will like this lesson. Please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.